What is going on, guys? Welcome to your 80-second Java tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys about exception handling. Now what exception handling is pretty much a way to handle errors. Now an error and an exception are the exact same things. So pretty much why would we want to handle an error? Well, when the user does something they're not supposed to do, we don't want to get an error, or else the program would just shut down and it'll stop running. We want a way to do something like if they divide by 0 or click something they're not supposed to click, then we don't want the program to shut down. We want to be able to tell them they're wrong and tell them to fix their mistake. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to use scanner, so I'm going to go ahead and import java.util. I'll just import everything because I'm lazy. And now let's just go ahead and let's begin making our system. So scanner, I'm going to name it input equals new scanner, and as parameters type system.in. And now we have an input variable called scanner. So what do we want to do? Well, let's just go ahead and make a little program to divide by two numbers. So system out print line, and go ahead and print just give them a prompt like enter first num. And now for the first num, just put int num1 equals input dot next int bam. And now whatever they type for the first number is going to be the, let's see, numerator. And now let's go ahead and copy this, duplicate it, and go ahead and set this equal to num2 and give them a new prompt and our second number. And now let's go ahead and make a new sum equal to num1 divided by num2. So now we got a little program if we go ahead and print out the sum. So system out print line, and go ahead T-I-O-N-E. And why do you need to write this? There's actually different types of errors, like arithmetic error, I think one's called like input error or something like that. But like if they make a math error or if they click something wrong, there are different types of errors. But if you want to catch all of them, this means if they do anything wrong at all. This is just the broad exception class right here. So let's just go ahead and catch that, and the E is pretty much if you want to print out E or something like that. But if they have any errors, what do we want to do? let's type system out print line. We'll just type something like you can't do that, and let me fix this. So what this pretty much means is try this. If you have an error, do this. If not, if you try this and it works good, then this is never gonna run at all. So let me show you that. I'm gonna try this and I'm gonna enter 12, 3, bam, 4. This catch right here never runs at all. But if I run this again and I get an error and it says 12, 0, it says you can't do that. In my rest of my program, if I had any more code down here, it would continue to run normally. So what if I actually wanted to build a program so if they entered the wrong thing, then I could pretty much have them do it again over and over again until they enter the right thing. Well, let's go ahead, and this is really simple. Put int x equals 1. So I'm gonna pretty much have a do while loop, and I'm gonna do this, do the pretty much the whole try and catch. So catch this, and I want to catch that too. I want to do the whole try and catch while x that we just made, that's equal to 1, is equal to 1. So I'm going to do that over and over again while this is equal to 1. But the thing is, if it continues to execute successfully, and I'm going to set this equal, the x equals 2. So as soon as the do while loop is able to run over and over again. But as soon as this whole thing, okay, good, bam, we finally made it all the way, x equal to 2, and then it looks alright. Is x equal to none? X equal to 1? Nope. Alright, then we can finally exit this bad boy. So that's pretty much your basics of try catch. It pretty much, I mean, it's pretty simple. Try this. If you get an error, do this. I mean, how easy is that? There's actually a little bit more to it, and I'll probably be covering that in the next tutorial. But for now, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.